Virella Flow Bunion Corrector is marketed as a non-surgical solution that supposedly realigns toes, reduces bunion pain, and helps users avoid surgery. But the real question is, does it actually straighten bunions or mostly provide temporary support and relief? Now, to be fair, bunion correctors are real orthopedic-style products. Toe spacers, splints, and separators can genuinely reduce pressure, improve comfort, and temporarily position the toe more naturally while wearing them. What it does well may temporarily improve toe positioning. Devices like the Virella Flow Corrector can physically push the big toe into a straighter position while worn, which may reduce friction and discomfort. Could help relieve bunion pain. Some users report less rubbing, pressure, and soreness when using toe separators or bunion splints consistently. Where it falls short, it probably will not permanently realign a bunion. This is the biggest issue. Most podiatrists and orthopedic discussions agree that bunion correctors do not permanently reverse structural bunions once the joint deformity becomes established. Marketing claims sound far stronger than the evidence. Virella Flow heavily promotes phrases like halts joint drift, realigns naturally, and avoiding surgery, but strong clinical proof for permanent correction is limited. Results usually disappear when not wearing the device. Many users say the toe returns to its original position after removing the corrector because the underlying joint structure and ligaments remain unchanged. So, does a Virella Flow Bunion Corrector actually realign toes? Short answer, temporarily yes, permanently probably not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.